Hello, everyone. It is some date at some time. It is Wednesday, October 21st. I originally had about a 5 minute video posted, and my mic wasn't working, so I lost all my audio. But that means I get to reshoot it, so here we go. In the spirit of Halloween, I decided to show you guys um, a horror story in and of itself. And that so happens to be my fridge. Be warned. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one that can survive opening it. So, I figure, why not ask a question to the YouTubers watching me? So my question is, what does the inside of your fridge look like? Because the things in people's houses can tell a lot about them, I guess. I don't even know if I phrase that right. It's 2:15 in the morning, and I'm a little tired, so like, as you can tell in the fridge, I'm a pretty sloppy bastard. Um, the freezer, a lot cleaner. Hold on. Oh, that was a good sound. Alright. Maybe it's not a lot cleaner, but it's got a whole bunch of stuff in it. Gotta love them burritos. If you saw that, I'm not sure. But, yep. I figured, why not throw another video up? Because I was bored. I have a camera in my laptop that I haven't got to utilize all that much. Wasn't much to do. Everybody's sleeping. I have no friends. And, I don't know. All my video games are boring me at the moment. Well, I guess I'll post this. It's not as good as my first one, but it'll have to do. But oh, as I said before, in my first one, which you're not seeing, um, I figured I'd do something with this account, like post up some skill videos or something. If I have some sort of certain skill, I could post a video for. I don't really know. You'll notice this setup here. It's because the mic in my head, in my laptop, sucks. So you get this. Maybe I'll put up some voice acting pieces because I really like messing with my voice and stuff. Because I know I sound pretty boring. My voice would lull you to sleep. You'd be like, but yeah, maybe I'll have videos up where I introduce friends or some hidden camera stuff. Who knows? Maybe I'll do it all at once. No. No. Alright. Leave me suggestions, and we'll see. Alright.